Hi, I'm here to show you how to use Cheat Engine 5.5 on Club Penguin. I know Club Penguin's a pretty crappy game, but to start off, click Cheat Engine 5.5 and minimize it. Then open up your internet browser and go to clubpenguin.com. Once you're there, just log into your account. Okay, I'm logging in. Doesn't matter what server you're on, it just matters that you're on a server. I mean, that's a no-brainer, right? Okay, so go to your map and then click the dock. And when you're there, you should click on Cheat Engine and click on the flashing icon in the top left-hand corner. Then click on Window List and scroll down until you see an internet icon. And right here for me. Okay, open and then play Hydro Hopper. Okay, just play it and score as many points as you can. Okay, so try and score as many points as you can. Okay, once you beat the level, do not click on next level. Go on the start off part and click on calculator. Then take your score from right here and turn and go 128 for me. And click on the star, which is multiply, and then times 8, and then click equals. It shows 1024 for me. Go to Cheat Engine and type that in, 1024, and press first scan. Then you should get a bunch of results. Then minimize everything and play the second level. Again, try and get as many points as you can. Hold on. It's okay if you die. Here, I just died to show you. But don't try and jump over the buoys, cause like, then you die. Pretty much, yeah. Okay, almost finished with the level. Okay, I got 371 now. So open up your calculator again and type in 371 times 8 and press equal 2960. Okay, so I'm going to enter that in on my computer, 2960. Then press next scan, double click it and freeze it, and then click on the value, put in 160,000, so 16 and then 4 zeros, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Press OK. Then minimize Cheat Engine and minimize your calculator, click next level, and then press X, and there you go. You get 2,000 coins. Woohoo! Yeah, but you have to log out or else it won't work. Yeah, so I'm not going to waste my time doing that, but yeah, that's all you have to do. Goodbye.